So you understand containers now. You have your application packaged in Docker, running perfectly. But here is where it gets complicated in the real world. Real applications are not one container. They are many. You have a container for your backend, one for your front end, one for your database, one for authentication, one for file storage. And in production, you need multiple copies of each one running at the same time, so that if one crashes, the others keep serving users. Now you have hundreds of containers. Who is managing them? Who restarts them when they crash? Who distributes traffic between them? Who scales them up when traffic spikes at 3 p.m. and scales them back down at midnight? That is the problem Kubernetes solves. Kubernetes is a container orchestration system. Orchestration just means managing and coordinating a large number of containers automatically. You tell Kubernetes what you want. I need 5 copies of this container running at all times, and Kubernetes makes it happen. If one crashes, Kubernetes restarts it. If traffic spikes, Kubernetes spins up more. If a server goes down, Kubernetes moves those containers to a healthy server. You describe the desired state, and Kubernetes constantly works to maintain it. The core concepts you need to know. A pod is the smallest unit in Kubernetes. It is one or more containers that run together on the same machine and share resources, usually one container per pod. A node is an actual server, a machine in your cluster that runs pods. A cluster is the full collection of nodes that Kubernetes manages together. A deployment tells Kubernetes how many copies of your pod to run, and how to update them without downtime. A service is how you expose your pods to traffic. Pods come and go. Their IP addresses change constantly. A service sits in front of them with a stable address and routes traffic to whichever pods are healthy. So the mental model is this. You write a configuration file describing exactly what you want running. Kubernetes reads it, schedules your containers across your cluster, watches them constantly, and self-heals when anything goes wrong. You stop managing individual containers and start managing the desired state of your entire system. The trade-off is complexity. Kubernetes has a steep learning curve. It is genuinely complex to set up and operate. That is why most teams use managed Kubernetes services like Google GKE, Amazon EKS, or Azure AKS. They handle the infrastructure, so you just focus on deploying your applications. Virtual machine was your isolated environment. Docker was your lightweight portable container. Kubernetes is the system that runs thousands of those containers in production without you babysitting every single one. Next video, CI/CD. How your code goes from your laptop to production automatically without anyone